Hey guys, back with another video. Today I'm going to be playing I'm Cat, I guess. So yeah, it's not my first time playing I'm Cat, okay? I was playing I'm Cat before the update came out. Oh, where's the grandma at? Ugh. Oh look, there she is. Oh, there's the update. Yeah. I take those teeth. Give me them teeth. Give me them. Give me the teeth, Grandma. Give me your teeth. Who keep your glasses? Thank you. Go.
For me.
Stop speaking a certain language. By the way, you came across a small content creator, and in the future, he'll be very famous. So yeah, claim your OG ticket by liking and subscribing. So yeah. Ooh, a new toy. Why is Grandma hiding these from me? Yo, Grandma, where you at? Grandma, where you at? Yo, Grandma, look at this new toy I found. Hey, I forgot, you can have your teeth back. There you go. You go, Grandma. You good, Grandma. Okay, let's see. This game's cool. Love it. She's coming. She's coming. I need to run. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm never doing a video on I'm security. I just don't want to. Wait, how did Grandma get up the stairs? Oh, well, maybe when she was younger. Hey, I am a bad cat. Ooh. I'll take that. Boop. By the way, in another video, I'm just gonna trash the whole house. And I am Cat. Oh yes, I'm gonna be a bad cat. Hee hee ha ha. Boop. Hee hee ha ha. Boop. I like this Grandma. Yo, Grandma, come here. Yo, Grandma, come here. Grandma, come here. Yo, Grandma, down here. Pick me up. Pick me up. Oh. Good. Meow. Yep, that's good. Hee hee ha ha. Grandma, come here. Welcome to a cat saloon. So, Grandma, what kind of hairstyle do you want? What kind of hairstyle do you want, Grandma? What kind of hairstyle? So you're thinking of rock band. Okay. I got you. There you go. Just the back. Oops. Grandma, you okay? Welcome to the cat saloon. You're kind of looking for a rock band. Okay. I got you. Okay, I got you. Okay, head down. 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 There. There. Grandma, what do you think? Oh, you want more? Okay. Okay, here you go. Hold on. Down. Look down. Grandma, look down. I got you.
I want it.
What? Don't talk back to the TV. Hey, Grandma, can you stop snoring? I'm trying to do work here. Fine, Grandma. Do I have to make you bald? Okay. I just realized. Hee hee ha ha. Yeah, you're looking for a rock band style? Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. I got something for rock band. There. There. Nice. Nice. Wow. You really want one. Okay. Okay, I got you. There you go. There you go, Grandma. Grandma, we might have to take your teeth out and your glasses. Okay, so I think you have to. Ouch! Don't bite my paw! Grr, looks like I'm gonna have to take them teeth out. Grr, yeah, Grandma, your teeth are supposed to go out. Alright, yeah, Grandma. Here you go. Yep, I'm the Einstein here. So, okay. But what if we have to go wake up our buddy? Oh. I forgot. Go! I have to go wake up our pet. Hey. I just realized, can we put stuff on the pets? Boop. Nope, we can't. Oh yes, and I just realized he starts following me. I'm the only pet in the house. Also, by the way, since I'm like that orange cat from the Garfield show who says I know where you live. So yeah, I might have to say that. I know where you live. Yeah, that's all. I know where you live. Okay, I live in your house. Yeah. Alright, yeah, I got you. Wow, I love this. I love making messes. Hee hee. Hee hee ha ha. Alright, Grandma. You're almost done. Okay, Grandma, done. Have a good day. Huh. Uh-oh, she's speaking a certain accent. I'll save you! Huh, looks like that didn't fix her. Oh well, she's just a different language now.
Run here.
Yeah, Granny. That's why you're too old. That's why you took harder than Biden took the stairs. Ha! Guess what? Good. Oh. Ouch. I think he cracked one of my bones. Ouch. Oh my. I couldn't take it. I can't take it. Alright, yeah, maybe next time I play I'm Cat, I might trash the house. Alright, bye.